Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a dynamic QR code for your designs. For example, if this is your logo and you want to convert this PNG or logo design into a QR code format, here's how you do it. Go to the CR option, then go to the CR option again, and there you'll find the QR code option. If you want to create a QR code for your logo, you can easily do that. QR codes are widely used nowadays in the digital world. Everyone needs a QR code since it allows people to quickly scan and see what the QR is about. To keep it simple, professional, and dynamic, you can generate a dynamic QR code. To generate one, just click on QR code. And now, just add any URL you want and just click on Generate. It's now generating your QR code. Once it's generated, download it. Now your QR code has been downloaded. To upload your QR code, upload it and go to Downloads. So now your QR code has been generated, and you can use this QR code in your designs or videos as you like. You can simply add your QR code in the corners so people will notice it as well. In this way, you can add your dynamic QR code to any design, any video, or other documents. This is a simple process, and by using these steps, you can create or generate your own dynamic QR code that's really useful in today's digital world. So, follow these simple steps. And if this video helped you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about this video or any other Canva-related topics, just comment below. I'll be answering all your questions. I'll see you in the next video.